Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jen and I make videos on cleaning motivation and all things mama related. Today I'm going to be doing a declutter of an area in our kitchen and some cleaning. We live in a very small house, around 850 square feet, and we do not have a dishwasher. So cleaning the kitchen is a daily chore, and I hope you all enjoy and clean along with me. If you've been following me on Instagram for a while, you know we are huge animal lovers, and our girl is a shepherd lab and she was a rescue. These are some doggy Oreos that we got from the 3 Dog Bakery this past weekend, and I believe they are carob and peanut butter, and she absolutely loved them. This is one task that is never ending in our house. We do not have a dishwasher and we have to wash all of our dishes by hand. I also do not have a garbage disposal. So I am quite particular about how dishes get washed and how the sink gets left. And it's just one of my mom pet peeves. I've recently become a big fan of the Grove Collaborative website. It is a subscription service for cleaning products, and they carry a large variety of plant-based cleaning products. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the lilac scent, and I absolutely love it. Since I have to hand wash my dishes, I get bored very easily, and I find changing up something simple like the scent of my dish soap is really satisfying, and it leaves a great scent throughout the entire house. I will have my affiliate link for Grove Collaborative in the description box if you would like to check it out and get some free products. This is one of the newer things that I've added to my cleaning routine, and that is just giving my sink a good scrubbing. We've lived in our house now for about 5 years, and I was just starting to notice that my sink was getting a little bit dingy and wasn't really having that great shine that it originally had, and adding this extra step has really made the difference. That's going to be it for this video, friends. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you got some cleaning motivation and followed along with me. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that like button. I appreciate it so much. Please be sure also to follow me on Instagram at DanceMamaDance. Thanks.